Hey everyone, hopefully the voice is better on this one. I just disabled a lot of the cameras. Webcam has a lot of the Macs as well. I hope everyone enjoy you guys' week. The vlogging series, Warhammer Magnets, D&D updates, comments. If you want to left a comment, please, thank you very much. I'd like more people to comment so we can socialize a little more. Come to our Discord, it's pretty dead for that matter as well. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Thank you guys liking my shorts a lot. If you guys want to learn how to paint, that's great. We have longer videos, speed videos for it as well. Uh, I'm not the greatest painter, but I do what I can. So we have, it's a lot better if I do it this way. There we go. A lot better if I do it this way. So we have the pulsar, um, Primus and pulsar. So this one I had for like 2 years, and been working, haven't been worked on until later, and you see, I'm still a little dusty and everything else. So because I didn't have any magnets, so I finally did magnets because I finally able to play the damn game. So we actually able to do magnets for these as well. It's a cool thing about it, and longer magnets. Take this out, take the other one out, and there we go. And we can put the machine gun in as well now. How many portion of this we need? Put that together. Here, oh, wrong one. There we go. Wrong side. I tried to foam for this one, but it did not work too well. So now we have the machine gun on top, and now magnetized, and I can rotate it too. I also do the satellite ones as well, and the mine. So it took me a while. I know I needed magnets, but this I might just glue. I don't think I'm gonna magnetize this one. It goes so freaking thin, and I just glue it in, and it just snugs in too, right like that with your satellite. But yeah, I'm gonna probably magnetize a lot of my pieces with like the mechs and tanks, because a lot of times they have like different types of weapons that you can use for these matters as well. It's just one of those things you got to pick out which one you guys really want. I'm gonna try different factions. I'm gonna 3D print a lot of these things. Hopefully by next month when I get the resin for it. Due to the fact that GW miniatures are very expensive. I'm trying to buy a lot. I buy a lot of the crappy ones on eBay. If you are buying some stuff and you want to cheap, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist are the best. Just be careful and read the description as well. Um, those are the ones I prefer to buy because they're like the fraction of the price what GW is paying for. You might get a couple here and there, old gen missing legs and arms and weapons, and you can actually find those type of bits and on the net and 3D printed if you do have a 3D printer. And there's also shops that actually sells bits too for it, and you can buy a bin of bits if you like. I have a lot of bits, and the problem is I don't have the main body, so I'm going to try to find a file for the main Primus aggressor body and some other bodies as well, and a couple of weapons because it comes with so many backpacks and everything else for that as well. But that's how it is, how it's going to go. We are going to be working on the Blood Angel Death Watch, and hopefully they have all the jetpacks. If not, I'm going to 3D print all the jetpacks because I'm not buying an upgrade version that doesn't come with a jetpack because I have a chaplain with a jetpack, and getting my ass kicked by Tyranids is annoying as hell, especially One Eye. So hopefully, we got one winning bid to an older gen Terminator set, and hopefully I win the Assault Terminators and some Razorback as well, and a couple some Assault Infiltrators. But that's how it goes. And I know I haven't done a lot of D&D, but after I'm done with building my army, I'm gonna go back to D&D because I do have a lot of 3D prints of D&D for my game. I have turtles, whole bunch of them by my desk as well that I need to get through. And I want to try to get through a lot of my paints as well. So go buy more paints later on down the road. I like to try speed paint. Problem is, I'm not buying speed paint right now. Is that I have too many paints. I have hundreds of paints, and I keep finding paints downstairs in the garage and in my shelving units, in my gaming room downstairs. So there is a lot of paints that I need to try to get through and finish. But Blood Angels, I'll probably finish a lot of the reds, browns, and grays and blacks. But I need like the other colors to finish, like pink, purple, and a whole bunch of other colors as well. Because I want to move to like Vallejo. I do like the Pro acrylics. They're expensive, but they're actually really good paints, really good pigments, and those are the newest one I bought like several months ago, for that as well. So we are gonna mix Warhammer and D&D. Looks like people are liking more Warhammer shorts than the D&D shorts for it, but hopefully, if I when I mix it around a bit, you get more into the painting, more into the hobby, more into the things. I get to paint a lot more because I don't have to paint the same damn thing over and over. Actually, I'm actually mixing it now with Warhammer and D&D, so it's a lot easier for me to actually get engaged and paint more, and watching some more painting tutorial videos and getting more and more better at it, and what listening to the lores while I'm painting, and music as well. There are going to be music changes soon. Don't know when, soon, because YouTube is going around and demonetizing music from non-copyright music sources. And this is why not a lot of people use music in their background, because they get demonetized for it. I get pennies, but I do want to have people enjoy music and stuff like that. And that does kind of fuck around with the algorithm as well, for that as well. I know there's a lot of, you can't curse it within the first 15 to 30 seconds. Um, it is one of those things that it's very weird how it is in 230, or was it 203 or 230, the legislation of the Supreme Court might get appealed and stuff like that. I'm worried, but I'm not too worried for that as well, because this is just a hobby for me to socialize with. It's pretty much it. I'm a disabled vet, 100% disabled and retired. So this is what I do to keep myself insane. Keep myself sane so that I can actually do something, not drive my life up the wall crazy, for that as well. But other than that, that's pretty much what I got so far. More comments, the better. More, I do STL videos monthlies, for you guys, like twice a week, like 3 times a month. Due to the fact that people are looking for files for like proxies for Games Workshop. You just replace the heads, find head files for like 50 cents, and you just reprint how many you want. Those are videos are there for you, so you guys have an idea for your D&D game and your tabletop wargaming, as well. If you don't want to play Games Workshop, there's plenty of other tabletop wargaming that you and your friends can play, for that. And then we are going to stop by a hobby shop today. That's like an hour drive, and hopefully they have some factions. I was looking up Slanesh. Slanesh only has like one upgrade kit for their Chaos Marines, the Screamers. Um, I might want to get some old, like Space Marines and Chaos Space Marines on eBay, and get some like Slanesh, and I'm going to probably kit bash them, and see what I can get into. But I gotta look at the codex, what the rules are with their Space Marines. I don't know if they have a Space Marines or not, and I'm trying to find it. And people are kit bashing their very own, or just painting their Chaos Marine to pink, but doesn't scream Slanesh. It's just Chaos that's just pink. So I'm just trying to figure out. If you guys have any idea, please let me know down in the comments below. Well, anyhow, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.